Okay, number 1A. Solve the following equations for x. Write your answers in set notation. So right here, x is being multiplied by 7 and added 9. It equals 25. So we first want to make this 9 0 by taking away 9. Whatever we do to one side, we do to the other. Now, negative 25 take away 9 is the same thing as negative 25 plus negative 9. And that's going to be negative 34. So 7x is equal to negative 34. So x is being multiplied by 7, so we're going to divide by 7. Divide both sides by 7. Bring down your equal sign. On the left-hand side, you have x. On the right-hand side, we're going to have a mixed number. Now, we have a negative divided by a positive, and when the signs are different, the quotient is negative. And let's go ahead and divide 34 by 7. 7 goes into 34 4 times. 4 times 7 is 28. And there's a difference of 6. So the answer is 4 and 7 sixths. Sorry, 6 sevenths. So x equals negative 4 and 6 sevenths. Now we could check our work by plugging in the negative 4 and 6 sevenths in for x, 7, and let's leave it as negative 34 sevenths plus 9 equals negative 25. So you would multiply first. These cancel. You're left with negative 34 plus 9 equals negative 25. And that is a true statement. So our answer in set notation would be all real numbers equal to negative 4 and 6 sevenths. Okay, the next problem, before we start using the properties of equality, that is adding and subtracting and dividing by both sides of the equal sign, we want to distribute out this 8 into parentheses. We want to simplify it first. So our simplified expression would be negative 35 plus 8x plus 2 equals 37. And again, before we start using the properties of equality, let's finish simplifying it by combining like terms. So negative 35 plus 2 is negative 33 plus 8x equals 37. Now we want to isolate the x, and so the first thing we'll do is we're going to make the constant term 0. We're going to add the additive inverse. We're going to add a positive 33 to both sides. So we get 8x is equal to 70. And since x is being multiplied by 8, could divide by 8. And 70 divided by 8 is 8. 8 times 8 is 64. Difference of 6. So it would be 8 and 6/8, which is also 3/4. So x equals 8 6/8, or we could say 70/8. So just put it in the set notation, 70/8. And again, we could check our answer by plugging in the 70/8 in for x.